everybody, welcome back to Meals with Marcia. Today I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe with you, and it is called chili cream cheese dip. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. Okay, this is absolutely one of the easiest things you're ever going to do. Now this could be used as a quick meal through the week if you're just wanting something quick and easy, or this also will be a good thing to take to a party or a potluck, or maybe like if you're having finger foods for Christmas, or you're wanting to entertain, or you're going to, to watch football with somebody. So the first thing you need is a softened block of cream cheese. And then you need a can of your favorite chili. This is a 15-ounce can. We have Van Camp's chili with beans. That's our favorite. Now, a lot of people like Hormel. Any brand you like. And then you need some shredded cheddar cheese. All right, so here we go. So I got me a little casserole dish here, a little small one. Sorry, thought there was that's just a stain in there. This thing's old, I've had it forever, I thought it was something down in it. All right, and we're gonna take the block of cream cheese, and let me just tell y'all, it is so hard to get into the block of cream cheese. It is aggravating, man, I'm telling you. I think they need to do something different with that. So just put this down in our casserole dish. My hands are clean. I washed them. And I'm making this for my family, so it's fine. Your fingers and hands are God's tools that He gave us. So, all right, now we're just going to take the back of this spoon and just mash this in to the bottom of this casserole dish. Just smash it out. It's going to be kind of thin because that's why you don't want one too big. You should probably do an 8-inch casserole dish, like an 8x8 or a 9x9, or you can do this small oval one. It just makes the perfect surface for this. So you're just gonna, now if you wanted to double this, you could do a 9x13 casserole dish, and you could do 2 blocks of cream cheese, and you could do 2 cans of chili. Double it real easy. But this will be easy peasy weeknight treat. You could make a meal out of it really. Or, it'd be good football food or finger food for Christmas. All right. So let's get that spread out in there. You want it to be as even as possible. And like I said, if it's soft, it's easier to do. And I'm going to get that on there because I don't want to waste any of it. Okay, now, all right, this is what it's looking like. All right, then you're going to take your can of chili. Let me get me a spoon. I need to wipe my hands off. Lord, I got this cream cheese all over everything. I always have to keep a rag close. Okay. All right, now we're just going to spoon this on, just like so. Spread it out. And we're just Van Camp's family, and some people like chili without beans. We love chili with beans. That's just what we like. But you do what works best for you. And if you had some homemade chili that was left over, you could probably use that. We're going to spread that out evenly over the, now, just like that. All right, then we're going to top it with cheese. Now I have this bag, it's falling apart. I got me a new bag. I always shred my own cheddar cheese. Now the mozzarella doesn't make a lot of difference to me, but I love to shred my own cheddar. And I would say you're going to use 1.5 cups to 2 cups. I'm not sure what all I got in here. I'm just going to cover it really good because we're cheese people. And we want to eat some cheese. So I'm going to pour all that on there and see how good it does. And then I'll add a little bit more if I need to, because I think that's about 1 cup and 1/4 maybe. Get a little bit more. Like I said, we like the cheese. So cheesy to your taste, okay? As cheesy as you want it. And then for us, the cheesier the better. Just cover it really good. All right, and that's what she's looking like. Now, I've got me a new bag here, and I'm going to put my newly shredded cheese in my new bag. A quick tip on that, I have one of the hand shredders, that you use, and sometimes I have a hard time getting, it will not suction to this because this has got lines and stuff in it, but I use it back here on my countertop, but sometimes I have a hard time getting it to suction and stay that way. Well, the other day I was so aggravated with it, so I went and put that on my glass top stove, guys. I mean, it's not hot. I didn't have it hot. I just put it on there with it not being hot, and man, it stuck like glue to that glass top stove, and I just shredded that stuff up with no problem. So if you're having a hard time getting your little handheld cheese graters to suction to your countertops and your surfaces, try the flat top stove cold. Now you can't have anything, can't have it heated, of course, because that is plastic. I didn't have it turned on or anything, but man, it worked wonders. But anyway, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to time it for you. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to taste it with you for the first time on camera, okay? I'll be back in just a little bit. I'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, now I have got my chili cream cheese dip out of the oven, and it looks bubbly on the sides. There you go. Ooh, it's hot. I'm trying to burn myself here. Okay. Anyway, I've let it set about 5 minutes. I cooked it 22 minutes, and then I put it on broil for like a minute and a half, because I wanted to make sure the cheese got good and melty. Now, it looks like it's going to be creamy and runny, which that's okay. Still going to be delicious. So let's, probably if you let it set about 10 minutes, it probably wouldn't be so runny, but I'm excited to try it. All right, so I have some party-size scoops, or you could use corn chips. I bet corn chip scoops will be delicious with this. But we're using the Tostitos scoops. If I can get it up in there. Gosh, that looks so good. Hot. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Cheesy, creamy. Whew. I could get in trouble with this. That is delicious. So good. All that cheese running. So good. And I know if you're in a pinch, getting the shredded cheese already is easy, but if you can shred your own cheese, it's like it melts even more into it. You need to try this. That is delicious. Guys, so quick, so easy. A great side dish to take, a great appetizer, a great quick meal if you're just trying to get something quick on the table. You could probably add jalapeños to the top of that. It would be delicious. Green onions, that would be delicious. Black olives, I know my husband would probably ask for black olives on his because he loves black olives on everything. But guys, this is the basics. So good, so delicious. Need to try it. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marsha. And don't forget that everything you need and how to make this dish is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.